English to Pashto sentences.
Do you know each other? آیا تاسو یو بل پیژنئ؟ Do you know each other? Yes, we know each other. او مونږ یو بل پیژنو. Yes, we know each other. How do you know each other? تاسو یو بل څنګه پیژنئ؟ How do you know each other? We have met before. مونږ مخکې میلاو شوي یو. We have met before. How well do you know him? ته هغه څومره پیژنې؟ How well do you know him? Very well. ډېر ښه. Very well. When will she be back? هغه به کله واپس راځي؟ When will she be back? I have no idea. ما ته پته نشته. I have no idea. What happened at school today? نن په سکول کې څه چل وشو؟ What happened at school today? Did teacher say anything? آیا استاد څه ووی؟ Did teacher say anything? Teacher scolded me. استاد زه ورټلم. Teacher scolded me. Teacher scolded me for no reason. استاد زه بې وجې ورټلم. Teacher scolded me for no reason. He fulfilled his promise. هغه خپل لوز پوره کو. He fulfilled his promise. He is fulfilling his promise. هغه خپل لوز پوره کوي. He is fulfilling his promise. You finish it. ته دا ختم کا. You finish it. You don't listen to me. ته زما خبره نه اوري. You don't listen to me. Did you recognize him? آیا ته هغه وپیژندو؟ Did you recognize him? I did not recognize him. ما هغه ونه پیژندو. I did not recognize him. Why are you laughing? ته ولې خاندې؟ Why are you laughing? It is time to laugh. دا د خندا وخت دی. It is time to laugh. Have we met before? آیا مونږ مخکې میلاو شوي یو؟ Have we met before? I think we have met before. ما ته ښکاري مونږ مخکې میلاو شوي یو. I think we have met before. A lot of rain fell. ډېر باران وشو. A lot of rain fell. A lot of rain fell last night. تېره شپه ډېر باران وشو. A lot of rain fell last night. Don't stand there. هغلته مه ودرېږه. Don't stand there. Don't stand there in the rain. هغلته باران ته مه ودرېږه. Don't stand there in the rain. Come here. دلته راشه. Come here. Come in here. دلته دننه راشه. Come in here. I was about to sleep. زه اوده کېدو واله وم. I was about to sleep. I was about to meet. زه میلاویدو والوم. I was about to meet. I was about to go. زه تلو والوم. I was about to go. I was about to come. زه راتلو والوم. I was about to come. Does she smile? آیا هغه مسکی کیږي؟ Does she smile? I have never seen her smiling. ما هغه چرته په مسکان نه ده لیدلی. I have never seen her smiling. What do you want? ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want? I want my own car too. زه هم خپل موټر غواړم. I want my own car too. I want to play. زه لوبې کول غواړم. I want to play. No, you have played enough. نه تا ډېرې لوبې کړې دي. No, you have played enough. Now let's go home. وس راځئ چې کور ته ځو. Now let's go home. It's time to go. د تلو وخت دی. It's time to go. Night has fallen. شپه شوې ده. Night has fallen. Now you should sleep. وس تاله اوده کېده پکار دی. Now you should sleep. What are you learning? ته څه زده کوې؟ What are you learning? I am learning Pashto and English. زه پښتو او انګلیش زده کوم. I am learning Pashto and English. Who will drive the car today? نن به څوک ګاډی چلی؟ Who will drive the car today? I will drive the car today. زه به نن ګاډی چلوم. I will drive the car today. What are you buying? ته څه اخلې؟ What are you buying? I am buying a gift. زه یو تحفه اخلم. I am buying a gift. For whom are you buying a gift? د چا د پاره تحفه اخلي؟ For whom are you buying a gift? I am buying a gift for you. زه تاله تحفه اخلم. I am buying a gift for you. What does he watch all day? هغه ټوله ورځ څه ګوري؟ What does he watch all day? He watches cartoon all day. هغه ټوله ورځ کارټون ګوري. He watches cartoon all day. What is this? دا څه دی؟ What is this? This is a stone. دا یو کاڼی دی. This is a stone. What do you want? ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want? I want to sleep. زه اوده کېده غواړم. I want to sleep. Are you with me? آیا ته زما سره یې؟ Are you with me? I'm always with you. زه عمري ستا سره یم. I'm always with you. Where is your helmet? ستا هلمٹ کوم ځای دی؟ Where is your helmet? Do you have a helmet? آیا ستا سره هیلمټ شته؟ Do you have a helmet? Put on your helmet. هیلمټ په سر کا. Put on your helmet. It is for your safety. دا ستا د حفاظت دپاره دی. It is for your safety. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.